Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about very important part in statistics, that is Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem is used in various areas in statistics. First, we will talk about theorem about total probability. If the events capital A1, capital A2, capital A3 up to capital AK constitute a partition of the sample space S and probability of AI is not equal to 0 for I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to K, then for any event B, probability of B is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to K, probability of AI into probability of B given AI. This is the theorem about the total probability. Let's see an example to understand this theorem. 3 bulb suppliers capital A, capital B and capital C supply 50%, 30% and 20% to the stock market respectively. 3%, 2% and 1% of bulbs from A, B and Z are defective respectively. If we randomly select one bulb from the stock market, what is the probability that the bulb will be defective? Let capital X as selecting a defective bulb. Here, supplier A supply 50%. Therefore, probability of A is equal to 0.5. Probability of B is equal to 0.3 because here 30%. Then probability of C is equal to 0.2 because here 20%. Here I have used A, B and Z as events of supplying a bulb from A, B and C. Here probability of X given A is equal to 0.03. That is because here if the bulb supplier is capital A, then 30% defective bulbs, that is probability of X given A. Therefore, its value is 0.03 because 3%. Like that, probability of X given B is 0.02. Probability of X given C is 0.01. Then we can directly substitute these values into the equation. Probability of X given A into probability of A plus probability of X given B into probability of B plus probability of X given C into probability of C is equal to 0.03 into 0.5 plus 0.02 into 0.3 plus 0.01 into 0.2. Finally, you can obtain 0.023 as the answer. That is the total probability of selecting a defective bulb. Here, the Bayes' theorem. If the events A1, A2, A3 up to AK constitute a partition of the sample space S and for an event capital B, probability of AI given B is equal to probability of AI into probability of B given AI over sigma I going from 1 to K, probability of AI into probability of B given AI. Here, this part is the total probability of B. Previously, I discussed about this part. Let's see an example to understand the Bayes' theorem. Probabilities of an employee goes to his work by car, bus and train are 0.1, 0.4 and 0.5 respectively. Probabilities of his delay when he goes by car, bus and train are 0.2, 0.5 and 0.3 respectively. It is given that he is late. What is the probability that he went by train? Here probability of C is equal to 0.1. Here C denotes the employee is going for his works by car. And probability of B is equal to 0.4, and I have used capital B as the event of employee is going to his work by bus. And probability of T is equal to 0.5, and T is the event of an employee goes to his work by train. Here I used this capital D as the event of his delay. So probability of D given C is equal to 0.2. That is because here the question is given that probability of his delay when he goes by car is 0.2. Like that, probability of D given B is 0.5, probability of D given T is 0.3. Now you can find the total probability of his delay. To find that, we can use the total probability theorem. So probability of D is equal to probability of D given C into probability of C plus probability of D given B into probability B plus probability of D given T into probability of T. By substituting these values, you can obtain the total probability of his delay as 0.37. Now you can find the answer to the question or the final answer to the question. This is a requirement to find the answer to the question, or this is a requirement for Bayes' theorem. The question asks, it is given that he is late. What is the probability that he went by train? So we should find probability of T given D. It is equal to probability of D given T into probability of T divided by probability of D. This is the total probability part. Now we know the values of these parts. By substituting those values, we can obtain the final answer. This is the final answer, 15/37. Thank you very much. We'll see again with the new lesson.